can't believe what just happened. ChatGPT actually helped me just now do something really good. So I'm going to share it with you. And I'm Susan from Cooking and Calm, and I'm all about helping you save time and still eat well no matter how tough life is. So one of the things that's really changed things for me is using Paprika Recipe Manager and Meal Planning app. And I've got lots of videos on the channel on how to use that. But if you're anything like me and you've got a whole load of handwritten notes and scrappy books with all kinds of bits of recipes in from over the years, and you want to get them into Paprika App, it's been a problem, hasn't it? And even though I've found loads of ways of getting recipes into Paprika, I just hadn't cracked this one. But I remember today that I'd heard something about ChatGPT being able to transcribe, so I thought I'd give it a go just for my little list of ingredients for buckwheat pancakes. And let me show you what happened next. So I'm going to do this on my iPhone version of ChatGPT, but I'm sure it'll work in the browser as well. Okay, so let's give it a message. That is, I'd like you to read the text in the attached photo and write it out as a recipe so I can copy and paste it into my Recipe Manager app. So, and then I'm going to add the photo, which is here. So I've added that, and then I'm just going to click that up arrow. And let's see if it repeats it. I hope it does. It doesn't always, does it? Oh, here we go. Here's the recipe written out for you. Fantastic. I can now cut and paste that into Paprika. Just checking it's right. Yes, that's right. But look at this. Further down, it's generated instructions. And they're pretty good. I've now got something extra than was in my scrappy notes. So my scrappy note said this, just a list of ingredients, but here it's actually given a method as well. Unbelievable. So from here you can just cut and paste into Paprika App. But if you're new to Paprika and you don't actually know how to get a recipe in, how to do the cut and paste, have a look at this video I made here that gives you lots of different ways for getting your recipes in there. And I'll see you on the other side.